Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. For this chicken, we must first spread our eyebrows from ear to ear. I separate it in this way. I separate it from the front of the head so that I can curl it to make your face much more beautiful.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost.
I divide the hair into two parts and comb it, and then after combing it, I curl the hair and comb the next layer and then comb it and curl it.
I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Now I will divide the back of the hair into two parts and curl the hair in the front, comb it and put it in one piece as you can see.
I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels.
I curl this layer that I remove. Pay attention to the layers that I remove.
And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down.
I take the layer of hair on the right side and twist it and open the next layer.
Feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down.
I twist the rear of the hair together and open the earlobes to the left side and take them in the liner fashion and tuft them to fix them.
And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I'll fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm
I curl the sides of the hair and comb it well and twist it around and fix it like in the movie.
And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I'll fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't know.
We make the side exactly like the previous side. After twisting the hair, I fix it behind the back and tuft it. I also called the lower parts of the head.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season. I hate when when summer comes, I'll fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million
I
times
tied
already, and I'm
the
so sorry, but
whole
I'm
back
not
of
able
the
to slow
hair with
down.
an
I feel
elastic band
unable and so
and
unworthy. My
fix it
heart
with
feels
a
heavy. I've
pin.
lost already,
Come the
and I'm so
bottom
sorry, but
of
I'm
the
not able
hair
to
wheel
slow
and divide
down
in
now.
it into two parts.
And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not
I
able to
wrap the
slow
first part
down.
of the
I
hair
feel
around
unable
the
and so unworthy.
elastic
My heart
band
feels
and
heavy.
pin
I've
it
lost
and
already,
make
and
the
I'm so
next
sorry, but I'm
layer
not
in the
able to
same
slow
way.
down. I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
I fix the extra part of the hair in the middle
And
of
I'm
the
so
head
sorry, but I'm not
and
able
then
to slow
fold the hair
down
in the
now.
front of the
I'm
band.
always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap
I
that I
make the
made by
hair as you
myself.
can
Oh, and I
see.
always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now,
Finally,
but it's
I
never
collect the
enough.
extra
I'm
hair so
not
that
even
my
ready to
work the
slow
clean and
down.
tidy.
Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
I curl the hair on the
I'm
front
unstable
of
and I'm
my
unsteady. I've lost
head
a
and
million
give
times
it a
already, and
style
I'm so
like
sorry, but
this.
I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down.
My work is finished. Beauties, I hope you like it. Subscribe and like my channel to support me. You love it, beauty.